This is the GPR exhaust on my K1300S. This exhaust has two removable baffles, and I installed it with only the rear baffle in place to start with. There is a conical baffle, you can see right there, that inserts into the front of the pipe, in between the connector and the exhaust. And then there's also a more typical baffle, if you can see with my poor garage lighting, that is removed in the back with just a snap ring. That baffle is in place. I wanted to give you an idea what it sounds like excuse me, with that in place. A little bit louder than stock, but just barely, maybe just a little bit deeper. It sounds to me real similar to the Remus hexagon exhaust. Nice sounding pipe. I'm going to take another video. I'm going to pull that rear baffle and take another video so you can get an idea what it sounds like with all baffles removed.